There's no doubt that both augmented and virtual reality are going to play a huge role in shaping how humans will use technology in the future. Though I think the main question is, will we be ready for it when it becomes a part of our normal everyday lives? Alright, so this is a fun one that I have for you guys that I'm extremely excited to share. This company has an extremely small market cap of about 114 million USD. And not only that, but this company also has really great looking financials, and they're actually an early player in an industry that is poised for some serious growth. And like I mentioned, I'm just really excited to share this pick with you guys because I feel like it's been a while since I brought you guys a brand new penny stock that I feel has some incredible potential. And this stock, no doubt, has the potential to make millionaires out of investors. So if you guys like it when I bring you new stock picks like this, make sure you like and subscribe, if for no other reason other than to just let me know you appreciate it when I bring you videos like this. Okay, so let's begin. The company's name is NexTech AR Solutions. They are based in Vancouver, Canada, and they are trading under the ticker symbol NEXCF on the OTC American markets, and the ticker symbol NTAR on the Canadian Securities Exchange. And they are currently in the works to get listed onto the NASDAQ. So they are a web-based augmented reality company that specializes in AR technology for e-commerce, digital advertising, and virtual events, with technology ranging from 3D images to holograms. And this was a stock that was downtrending for quite a while until around mid-May, where you can see a nice uptick in price. And the reason I'm talking about this company is that I think if you're at all interested in adding some diversity to your portfolio with an AR company, this might be the one. And with the way the markets have been looking lately, now would be a perfect time to get in on this stock. So if this company sounds interesting to you, stick around, because I'm going to break down exactly what this company does and give my bullish thesis on them. And let's be clear first, this is still a speculative company that has a lot to prove, but they're in an industry that I believe in a lot of ways is still underdeveloped. And because of this, NexTech really has a chance to shine and be a leader in the AR space over the next decade, where demand for both AR and VR technology will increase. And despite the fact that this is a speculative company, their balance sheet is actually shaping out to look quite nice. They are growing quarter over quarter, and I mean, just look at this balance sheet. Their current assets outweigh their current liabilities by a factor of 3 to 1, and they have a very low debt of about $1 million in comparison to the cash that they have on hand, which is about 10.6 million. And the reason that I'm excited about this company is not only that their financials look great, but they're truly a company that is looking into the future. So think about it. The way that products are advertised to us today won't be the same in 10 years, and most likely even sooner than that. NexTech is developing technology that will be driving the next evolution of digital marketing and advertising. So think about how you currently look and view products on Amazon, and imagine a world where instead of viewing 2D products on a screen, you'd be able to literally see each object as if it were floating in 3D space in front of your screen. This would allow you to understand the size, proportion, and details of each object better before deciding to make the purchase. So what NexTech is saying is that by 2024, augmented reality is going to be an industry that commands $72 billion, coupled with a $336 billion industry for the 3D AR advertising space. And in terms of e-commerce, which is already a huge industry now, NexTech will be taking a part in that as well. And no, they're not going to be directly competing with Etsy or Amazon. Essentially, NexTech is going to be offering their AR services potentially to these companies to enhance the existing online experiences we currently have. And another pro with this company is that they are by no means limiting themselves in terms of growth. They're targeting everything, not just e-commerce, but also medicine, education, entertainment, and everything in between. So if you want to see a doctor stand on your vitamin C gummies as she tries to sell you something, you can. And if many doctors on gummy bottles weren't enough to sell you, let me just slap you guys with some more facts. The CEO of NexTech has been buying up shares of this company, which is always awesome to see. They're looking to get into the NFT space, and they're forming a ton of different partnerships with various companies, including most recently a partnership with Microsoft to power EdTech, which is an investment platform focused on the future of education and work, essentially using this platform to change the way information is taught, particularly in schools. It's like, how long have school systems been using dinosaur whiteboards? Of course, some teachers have graduated to PowerPoints, but can you imagine if teachers were able to educate students on a subject by using 3D interactive models? Whether you want to look at cells or a 3D mapped model of the human brain, the possibilities are seemingly endless with this kind of technology, as it can cater to just about anything, making NexTech's software extremely flexible for any business that wants to utilize AR. So overall, I say this stock is a definite buy, and I will definitely be picking up some shares in this company. It takes a lot for me to truly get excited about a company, and I can't tell you guys just how stoked I am to be sharing this company with you. I think the main takeaways are, yes, this is still an early company with a lot to prove, but their financials are looking solid. They are continuing to grow, expecting to do about 50 to 60 million in revenue in 2021. They have shown that there is a demand for this product, and honestly, even though they're trying to branch out in a ton of different industries, I think that their focus on e-commerce and marketing is going to be their biggest cash cow, because there's just so much money to be made in the marketing space. It's a multi-billion-dollar industry as it is, and it just seems to keep growing. And yeah, that's the video I've got today. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Thanks as always for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.